Oh no, Coriander's all by himself in here. Hi, Misha. Does Emily have the other 4 and you want them? You want your babies, huh? Let's see, Coriander, do you have eyes yet? Let's see how you're doing today. Oh, hi, sweetie, no eyes? Oh, a little bit. A little bit of peeky peekies. Okay. I'm sorry. Can I see the other babies, Emily? You have 2 of Misha's babies. Misha wants them back. Oh, no fighting. Go on, let's go. Let's see. Where's the little babies? That's not little baby, that's Will. Okay, let's see. Here's Anderson. It's yours. Let's see, where's the little girl? What do you do with the little girl? We make your babies. No boo boo. Come on. Where is it? What? Oh, let's see. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, there it is. Okay. Sorry, guys. I had to get you out so I can sit and check on the babies. There she is. Hi. Oh, she wagging her tail. She's not happy. She was sleeping and warm. I'm sorry. I just had to make sure you're okay. I couldn't see you in there. Anyway, you want to go with your mama? That's your mama. Oh, you got out? Hey, you went back in? Did you fall out? Oh, he's got the hiccups. Poor little guy, he's got the hiccups. You happy now, Mishi? You got your little babies back. Here's one. You guys go back in there with your mama. I'm just trying to find the little ones. There you go. That's your babies. You got the big ones, Emily. Hi. You got the 3-week-olds. Oh. Hi, Will. Oh, scratch, 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 scratch. Hi. Hi, Will. Hi, sweetie.